Welcome to 3D Printing Zero to Hero, brought to you by New Teams, the University of Newcastle Engineering Student Teams organisation. My name is Jared, I've been printing for about 8 years now, and 3D prints have become an integral part in nearly every project that I've done since. And this is because 3D printers are an incredibly powerful tool, as they allow you to quickly and cheaply produce custom parts tailored to specific needs and applications. And the best part of it all, it's super easy to do so. So in this series, we've distilled everything you'll need to know to get started on your printing journey. We'll start with some intro videos covering extremely helpful contextual information about printers and the printing process. Then there's the core skills section where we will speed run you through the process of going from an idea to getting your printed part. And then in some advanced videos, you'll learn how to upgrade your printed part through advanced print settings, some tips on how to post-process your model, and some CAD design specifically for 3D printing. And then after all that, we have a module capstone for you to complete where you will apply the skills you've learned by designing and printing a part for yourself. So let's learn how to print.